Hi everyone, this is Joseph, and behind Joseph is a joystick. One day, Joseph was feeling very bored, so he played with his friend Joystick. Joystick brought lots of fun to Joseph. Together they played Attack of the Unicorns. But then Joseph fell off. Joseph lay still, but then he said, "Oh look, a telephone!" "That's not a telephone, Joseph. That's an Xbox 360 headset." Joseph examined the Xbox 360 headset with the air surrounding his face. And then he looked at the camera and said, "You're right, that is an Xbox 360 headset." Little did Joseph know that acknowledging the fact that the Xbox 360 headset is an Xbox 360 headset, he was making Joystick jealous. Then out of nowhere, Joystick appeared.
"I'm really upset, Joseph. I'm gonna kill you."
No, please don't kill me, Mr. Joystick. Please don't kill me. Please, 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 please. Oh, but it's too late, Joseph. You're going to die. Wait a second. That doesn't sound like Joystick's voice. Mwahahaha. You've guessed right, Joseph. Elta's back. And just like the Dementors in Harry Potter, Elta sucked out Joseph's soul. To be continued.